In this video, I'm going to talk and show about how our hands are carrier of bacteria and viruses, and I will also talk about how washing hands with soap is very important in fighting bacteria and other viruses. Our hands are the front lines in the war against COVID-19. Respiratory viruses like the novel coronavirus, the flu, and the common cold can be spread via our hands. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) recommends washing hands with soap and water as the top way to clean our hands. Soap molecule is dual in nature. One side of the soap is attracted to water and one side is attracted to fats. This dual nature chemical constructions that make soap so effective. Before I go further into explaining the details of the soap and the viruses, let me demonstrate a simple experiment with water, oil, and soap. First, I'll use this clear empty bottle and fill it with water, and then I will add oil to it. And if I mix it, it won't mix at all with the water. The oil will be above the layer of the water. And when I mix soap, or when I pour soap into this bottle, you will see the oil and water mix very well. And that's exactly I'll show you how the viruses act like oil, and how the construction of the soap can cleanse the bacteria and viruses from your hands and disintegrate them as well. Now, coronaviruses are a bit like the oil as shown, or which I have demonstrated. Encoded by RNA, surrounded by a coat of fat and protein, viruses are like grease balls. No matter the size, they are the exact type of thing soaps loves to annihilate. Now let's first draw the dual nature of a soap. This is the dual nature of a soap molecule. One side attracted to water and one side attracted to fats and protein. So now let's draw the image of a virus. You can see here the membrane of the virus is made of lipid bilayer, which is fatty, and this is the weakest part of the virus. As you can see, the soap molecules comes contact with the virus and breaks that membrane apart. So this is how water with soap breaks the oil, like it breaks the viruses. Let me show you some more accurate picture of how the soap come in contact with the virus and breaks its bilayer lipids membrane apart. Exactly like that. That's how soap takes care of the virus, much like it takes care of the oil in the water. One side of the soap molecule buries its way into the virus fat and protein shell. The trick is this: all takes a little time to happen, and that's why we need to take at least 20 seconds to wash our hands. But if soap and water are not available, using a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol can help, and in case your hand is not soiled. This is why let us all make a habit of washing our hands with soap and water on a regular basis. Thank you for watching, and please do support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and share it with your friends if you find it helpful.